Hi families, this is a quick video to show you how to access and print Go Math assignments at home. From the student dashboard, you're going to click on My Library. The library is where you can access all of the Go Math resources your child has available to them at home. Once in the library, you're going to scroll down and click on the Go Math Student Edition ebook. This will open in a separate screen. The Student Edition ebook on the Go Math website is the same textbook they have in class. So if your child has forgotten their textbook at school, they can access anything that they may need from this ebook. Once in the ebook, the easiest way to maneuver through it is to click on the contents icon in the upper left-hand side. You're going to look for the chapter and lesson that the student is working on. For example, if they're in Chapter 2, you're going to click on Chapter 2. If they're in Lesson 3, click on Lesson 3, and the ebook will toggle itself to Chapter 2, Lesson 3. If you try to print from the ebook screen, I'll show you what happens. It'll bring up the print preview, and as you see, it's not completely printing the pages that you need. So I'm going to show you a way around this to print the homework in a more efficient way. If you click on the resources icon on the left-hand side, click on Lesson Level Resources, then you're going to click on the section right here that says PMT. The PMT is the Personal Math Trainer, and it's also another resource that students can use to practice from home. On the PMT on the right-hand side, you'll see an icon for Textbook. The textbook will pull up the entire lesson in a PDF form, and it will open it in a new screen. Once you're in this new textbook version, you're going to click on the print icon. Now you can see from the print preview that it's printing what you want for your child's homework assignment. If you have any further questions, you can always contact your child's teacher.